This is a 2011 Ford F-150. It has the power to move what you need and the look too. It features a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a convenience package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, and many other features. The following features are also included: a rear split bench seat, cruise control, a keyless entry system, fog lamps, a stability control system, an anti-lock braking system, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, and this vehicle has fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. This Ford has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Stadium Auto is located at 624 North Watson Road in Arlington. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations so that you'll return for future visits.